Okay. I should have enough for her. God be willing. You will be mine, nature. Oh god. We start out with these. Okay. Hecking Halo. Like, I'm expecting her to hold out on me. Because the next thing that I'm saving for after this is going to be Christmas vodka and Daiwa. So I don't think, like, I'm not expecting much. I'm expecting her to suck me dry. Okay. Okay. Hi, Plaza. Hi, Creek. Hi, Ticket. Hi, Boxing. Okay. Hi, Airgroove. Hi, Daiwa. Hi, Haru. Hi, King Halo. Hi, Nature. I want the other one of you. Hi, Plaza. I've been saving for so long. Whoa! I mean, I won't be mad if I get her early. Oh my god! Oh, hi Tannhäuser. Oh, I was not expecting to get her after like 110 pull. Holy shit, okay. Okay, well, we're gonna see if we can get a double. Wow, so many natures! Hi Tannhäuser! Four of them! Okay, I'm gonna go down to 1,500 or 15,000, so that I have a good starting spot for Daiwa and vodka later. Wow. Never fucking punished. You're kidding! You're kidding! She loves me. No way. Hi, Daiwa. I'm like astonished. Another one? That's crazy. I was like, oh, it's his favorite star. We're not gonna assume. Okay. Because like, I would also be okay with a King Halo, is the thing. I'm not, like, opposed to anything. Hi, Maya. Okay, okay. Okay. This is unreal. Like, if I get a King Halo, I'm stopping. Hi, nature. Oh, it's Ogre. Okay. Hi, Conhoiser. I've been getting a lot of Conhoisers. Lots of Conopus rep. Maybe it will stop at 20. I'm so shocked. And like, I'll take all of the dupes in the world because like I want these freaking statues. Okay. I get my seat. Hi, nature. Hi, vodka. Hi, gold ship. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. Okay. And I feel like I have to freaking Halo. Okay. Hi, King Halo. Hi, King Halo. Hi, Vaccine. Okay. I'll do. Yeah. We'll do. I don't know. This is. I feel like the three goddesses are blessing me. One more. Hi, Daiwa. Hi, Airgroup. Hi, Bakshin. Hi, Fukukisaru. Hi, Haru. Hi, Super Creek. Hi, Gold Ship. Hi, Tachyon. Hi, Haru. Hi, Daiwa. Okay. This is the last one. I'm for real. I'm for real stopping. Cause I need to save for Daiwa. Hi. What is happening? Is this like 5? I could have sworn this was a double banner. Isn't it? Yeah, they're both there! Oh my god. Well, I'm stopping here. I can't believe this. This is like the craziest thing that could have happened to me. I'm like entirely free to play, by the way. Like, I've spent no money in this entire game. So like, where is she?
このままポンポン登ってきましょう。
Let's just cap her off.
どうぞごゆっくりご覧ください。ありがとうございます。大切に使ってくださいね。さすがトレ。このままポンポン登ってきましょう。
I like legitimately cannot believe this.
ワン、ツー、ステップアップってね。
Like, legitimately. Like, does she even need... No. I just need money, and then I can get her off... Like...
マヤノが夜更かし宣言してた盆踊りの時期になったら振り付け練習しようよ。それで次は一緒に踊ってさ、きっと楽しいよ。イベントやってるんだ。通りで賑やかだと思った。ゆるっと顔だけ出してみる？達成！確認を忘れずにな。
She's my first 5... Are you serious? Is she my first 5-star?
ウマドルにはトレーニング。
Oh my god, she is. Yes, I have bought heads for nature. Spring. I really truly can't believe this. I thought that was gonna be way harder than it was. Like, I thought I was gonna, like, have to go all the way down and I would only get the pity nature. And I wasn't gonna get, like, anything. But instead... She came to me like 6 times. Can I check the pull history? Like I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, I gotta come the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are like... I did like maybe 10. I don't fucking know. I can't believe this. She came on the 2nd pull and the 3rd pull. Where's the 2 and 1? Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, I can't believe this. And no King Halos the whole time! Like, none of her! And she's, like, arguably a better Uma! This is crazy. Well... Thank you, gamers. I am gonna go max potential her now. So... LMAO?